hardware. All physical and tangible components of computer are called hardware. All computers have components for input, storage, and output like keyboard, mouse. Input devices. Those devices which help to enter data into computer system and converts data into acceptable computer form. Types of input devices. Online or direct data entry devices. They are under CPU control and straightly converse with CPU. These interactive input devices are categorized as keyboard, locator devices like mouse, trackball or touchpad, and interface or PIC devices like light pens and touch screens. Source data entry devices. Helps in entering the data straight from source without any human involvement. For example, video digitizer, digital camera, scanning devices, voice input, etc.